Hello, this is YouMineWeCraft, and today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to set a static IP. Now, a static IP allows your computer to always connect to a router using a specific IP address. This means that you do not have to constantly keep report forwarding your computer to allow you to host a Minecraft server. So I'm going to quickly open up one of my Minecraft servers. Randomly pick this one. So here's my text folder. This is the IP I'm using. So what I'm going to do is hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and press R. And I'll pop up this run thing, or you can go down here, type run, and it'll come up with the same application. Once you open it, type cmd, inside type ipconfig. Okay, this will give you the current IP address. So my current one is 2. And as you see, it used to be 8, so it's already changed from then. So let's just update that quickly. Okay, so what you want to do now is go into your network sharing center. Now you can reach this through the control panel directly. You can go in here and then find network and sharing center. And then once you're on here, you can go on change adapter settings. So I have two different types of connections. I have an Ethernet and I have a Wi-Fi. For this tutorial I'm going to be using my Ethernet, but when you're doing it you can use whatever one you want out of the list on here. So I'm going to pick this. I want properties. I'm going to scroll down to IPv4, click on properties again. Now as you see, I already have mine set. So I'll show you where you get this information from. The IP address is what you want your IP to be constantly, and it always requests it to be on the router. So here's the IPv4 address, and that's in the top column. Net mask, you copy in this second column. Default gateway, you copy in that column, and then you also copy it into the preferred DNS server. So when you come on here, tick that, tick this tick box by here. Copy in the fields from your command prompt and make sure your preferred DNS is the same as your default gateway. Now you do not have to change the advanced section, that is already changed for you. Click validate settings upon exit. That means when you click OK, it'll change your connection so you're connected on this IP. Now if you do have problems connecting to your router afterwards, you may want to try restarting the router, which will reallocate your computer with an IP address, or you may want to increase this number. And what you want to do is make sure this IP address is not used by another computer. If it is, it will not work. So you have to make sure this IP address on the top here is an individual one. But normally just copying it from this section will work perfectly. So once you've typed that, press OK. I'm going to press cancel because mine's already validated. And then that is completely set. Now you can do this on as many ones as you want, but like I said, do not have it overlapping IPs. So do not have this with the same IP as the Ethernet one, or vice versa, because then it will not work correctly. So once that's set, my IP address now will always be this. Off that Ethernet connection, my IP address will always be 192.168.0.2. And from there, you can simply port forward to that direct IP address, and it will always port forward your computer and no one else's. If you want to know how to port forward, check out my YouTube channel. There's multiple tutorials on how to port forward on 2 different Sky routers. But it's quite simple. You just select the IP, which is this, and then you select the port. For Minecraft is 25565. So like I said, want to know how to do that, check my channel out. But for now, that's all you need to know how to set a static IP. Like I said, it's very simple. And now that's all you have to do, and now it's always going to call this IP for this computer. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe and share, and goodbye.